I'm going to be putting this shockwave pistol grip. Sorry for the camera deal. I'm going to be putting a shockwave pistol grip on this R Pardner, also known as a clone for the Remington 870. I haven't done this before, but I'm going to give her a whirl. Just cut right to the chase. There's two plugs back here. Then there's going to be two screws. I believe they're flathead. I already got this plug out. This is what they look like. This is a rubber plug. Save them in case you put this back to stock. You never know. And just kind of dig in there and pull it out. And then I'm going to take a flathead. Get this back piece off. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this done. Just for the camera's sake. I'm going to take this screw out here and this screw out here. Be right back. Okay, folks, I got that out right here. Doesn't feel like you have a hold of the screws, but they're really not in there that tight. So then next you can see down in there, don't know if you'll be able to see this, but there's a screw there. I believe it's going to be a 12mm nut, or you could use a flathead screwdriver. I put one in there to see if it would turn, and it would. So I'm going to back that screw out. Be right back. Okay, folks, so this is what I ended up with. You'll probably need a pretty long screwdriver. It's down in there quite far. Not too terrible, I guess, but let's see if I can get a flashlight so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty deep in there, but not too bad. This spacer sits in here, this plate. I do not believe you're going to need that. You can toy with it, see if you need it or not. And then as far as the new grip, came with this bolt in it. This bolt was in here in the hole, and then it had this plug that sat in here. This is how it comes, just like that. So you basically pull that plug out. Then you're going to need a Allen wrench to fit that nut or that bolt. And then we're going to attach it like so. And then I'm going to tighten that up, and I will be back. You know what, folks, I started putting this on. One thing I want to do, this is my wife's shotgun, so I just want to be a little cautious so she can be safe. I'm just going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on here just to make sure that this is going to stay on there for her. So now that I got that applied on there, now I'll quick install it. 1 second. Okay, now that I got that on there pretty tight, I'm going to go ahead, place this cap in there, and wonder if I got that the right way. Let me grab this and check that out, because it's not going to go in this way, obviously. So yes, I had it in the right way. I'm going to pound that in. Make sure it's flush, and then I will show you The end result is right there, and that is a H&R 12 gauge Pardner Protector Pardner model 1871. It is a clone of the Remington 870. My next video is going to be where I install a side saddle on the other side. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope this helped, and God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.